plucks her eyebrows like the girls at Coyote Ugly. She wants to go to Warped Tour, but they don't happen anymore. She just wants to feel the way she felt before.
Fit check. What were you listening to? This lighting's not good, but my hair's lighter. This is a clip-in. Do you like my hair this lighter? This lighter? Do you like my hair this color?
I do. Well, first we're gonna go to Target.
First you're gonna crash.
We're good.
Are we good?
We are good.
No, we're in the bush. We're going to KCON. Oh, I look weird because I don't have lipstick on.
What are you most excited about at KCON?
Monster X. And I posted on Instagram that we were going to KCON and people were shocked that I like K-pop. I thought
How could you not?
I thought everybody liked it. Gorgeous downtown Los Angeles. We made it. Oh, we look like we're on our way to a gender reveal party.
No, we do.
Look at our colors.
Oh, gee.
We made it to the parking of KCON. We're still kind of far. And the line is like a mile long. And we have to go all the way over there. The line is so long. It's like 3 miles long. I don't know how people do it. I would pass out. I have passed out waiting in line before. And I'll do it again. What are you most excited for?
Everything.
I'm most excited for the snacks.
J-Ho, sugar,
No, they're not here. Look at this line. And it goes all the way around the other corner.
What do you think?
I think you did okay.
Yeah?
You did pretty good, yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, great deal.
Also texting and trying to... Cherry's really good too.
I feel like you'd probably like cherry pie.
Like those one popsicles that are like, they're orange or like, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, brain freeze.
Brain freeze? I can't get it.
What do you mean you can't get it?
I don't get brain freeze.
You've never had one. Oh, you're a liar. That's the biggest lie I've ever heard.
Have you ever seen someone eat so much frozen?
You've said a lot of lies, but that's probably your biggest lie.
I don't get it.
I've never had a brain freeze. So hipster. That's what you sound like. Yeah, me, never heard of it.
Watch. Try to do something.
Try to do something?
Try to do something. Most of the time you go to like a concert or Coachella or whatever, and it's just like not really set up well.
I got blisters on my feet. Can you give me a jingle about having blisters on my feet right now?
I got blisters on my feet from the K-pop convention.
No, that doesn't rhyme.
It's gonna rhyme later. You gotta give me a chance.
No, it's gotta be like rhyme after rhyme after rhyme.
Really one? No, you rhyme every other one.
No.
Blisters on my feet.
A real
at the
jingle man
K-pop
would.
convention. I want to take a seat.
So bad.
You think we're on our way back from the club, me carrying your shoes?
My feet hurt. Shoes had to go. Once we got to this parking lot, I would not be walking downtown LA with no shoes on. The parking lot seems safe. A successful KCON. No, I'm not gonna survive.
Well,
successful trip. Now we're gonna go eat. We got Happy Ice, our favorite place to get.
I love Happy Ice.
I would say top 3 desserts of LA. Our favorite, right?
Yeah. Magpie's #1.
You think Magpie's #1?
It's my favorite.
KCON was cool. I went with this K-beauty brand that's they do the lip muds, like everybody's seen the viral like lip clouds. And I got to try them out. And I was surprised at how much, or like how cool they feel on your lips. Like I haven't tried a really, innovative the right word, or like just a new
formula?
A new formula. Something. Yeah, we need to eat. The lines for food was like crazy. We were gonna get Akamoto, but it's just, the line was too long. What sounds good is Hope or Crossroads. You've never been to Crossroads? Oh yeah, you have been to Crossroads.
I've been there more than you.
Do you want to fight about it?
I was over a fight.
Do you want to get in a fist fight over it? Who's been there more times? Because I've actually been there more
I
times.
don't think so.
How many times have you been there? You're going to exaggerate, so don't even say it. You're going to make up a number. Yeah. What beer did you get?
It's a rice lager.
I love the little green chairs.
You like rice lager? You don't like that? It's amazing. I said it's amazing. Yeah.
It tastes like a sour beer. Is it sour? Chase got the Ozzy Osbourne. What is it? It's chimichurri.
Blue cheese.
Chimichurri, blue cheese, frizzled onions, they call these, and leafy greens. And then we got Philly cheese fries, which look absolutely insane. This is Jace's favorite restaurant, if we didn't say already. Grill 'em all. Taste it.
Smells so good.
Yeah. I just tried bread pudding for the first time. I mean, if this is what bread pudding tastes like. Ten out of 10. We just got back to Palm Springs. Look at this. Look at the clear sky. And then the tropical storm coming. There's like non-stop lightning over here. Wait for it to go again. Oh my gosh. This will be my first ever tropical storm. And the first ever storm for California like this, and I'm having a panic attack and Jace is fine. But we're going to Trader Joe's to make sure we have food. It's literally plugged in right here.
Oh, like, you know.
How is he so calm right now? I'm freaking out. We're at Sprouts now. When we got out of Trader Joe's, it was already so dark. And we went to the fire station because they're supposed to be giving out free sandbags, like for flooding, because our house is like, it's super old and I'm really worried about it because we have like 2 patios off the main part of the house in the kitchen that don't drain. Like I've gone out there and sprayed it down with a hose before and it took like half a day to drain from just that from using the hose. So I'm really stressed about it because they're saying we're gonna get like a year's worth of rain over the next couple days, and the desert doesn't do well with rain. It has flash flooding and all this crazy stuff, and I'm really scared. Jace is acting like I'm crazy because he's been through storms before, but I just haven't. We have never had a tropical storm in California, at least that I know of. So the whole drive from the Trader Joe's that we went to the Sprouts we're at now is like a 25-minute drive, and I've been having a full-on panic attack. I'm playing my game on my phone. I'm playing my Best Fiends because I'm trying to keep myself distracted, and I'm worried about my mom because she lives by herself. It's crazy how it went from being so like clear skies, 108 degrees, to now looking like the most insane sky I've ever seen. Am I overreacting? Because my weather app says life-threatening conditions. Do you know what I mean? Like, are they trying to scare me, or is this real? Significant threat to life and property. I think I'm gonna lose my mind. I need to be sedated. It's not even supposed to rain until like tomorrow afternoon, but there's lightning happening everywhere. Like, why is lightning happening with no rain? is what I want to know. It's just like lightning everywhere, like a strobe light in the sky. And it's 95 degrees. Can you tell I'm freaking out? I will go now. I will update you on the storm tomorrow. This is the hurricane. The golf course is a pool. It's been 2 days, right? Yeah, we went to Trader Joe's and we had a full day yesterday where it was supposed to rain. Look at my hair. It's supposed to start yesterday, but nothing really happened. Did it rain yesterday? No. And then today, it's supposed to be like the hurricane today, but so far it's been just cloudy and like drizzly, and then it just started raining at like what, 2 o'clock? What time is it? Rue, come here. I think he has to go potty. Anyways, I think our house might flood. It hasn't been windy yet. Come here, Rue. I gotta find Rue a leash to take him out. I think the house might flood. I can't do another flood. I cannot do another flood. I was just gonna go take a shower. I haven't washed my hair since I dyed it. So I was gonna do like one of those everything showers. Well, we're out here trying to, I'm soaking wet. My hair.
Like, yeah, it's raining hard, but it's draining out of here. If it wasn't draining out,
If it was
now?
draining out, why am I out here scooping the water out with a bucket?
I don't know why you're out here doing this.
Because it's up to the door.
It's not up to the door. What are you doing out there?
Well, I guess if the house is gonna flood, we should go swimming.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a shower. What if our water goes out and I can't take a shower?